Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can export a video on Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, brand kit, templates, and here you're going to find all of your folders. And here in the home section, you're going to find two options here in the top, create a new video and create a video with AI. Go ahead and click on create a new video. This will allow you to create a video or start it from scratch. So right now I'm going to click on it. And then once you click on create a new video, you're going to be right here in this screen. So basically, guys, once you're here, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your video. So first of all, we're going to click on import media. Once you click on import media, go ahead and select the video you want to add from your computer. So I'm going to add this video, for example, and then as you can see, guys, it will be added right here. If you want to add it to the timeline, just click on this plus icon right here, or you can just grab it and drag it right here. Once you add this, as you can see, guys, right now we have the video in the timeline. You can click on play to play the video. Right here, as you can see, guys, in the right, you're going to find a lot of options. Here you're going to find captions, audio, fade, filters, effects, adjust colors, speed, transition, and colors. So once you finish customizing your video, if you want to export it, just go ahead and click on export in the top right corner. Once you do that, right here, you need to choose a quality for your video. You can either choose 480p, HD, or Full HD. So for example, I'm going to choose 1080p. And then once you do that, as you can see, guys, just wait for this to load and then your video will be exported. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.